What up, you guys, and welcome to Framework Studios. Today we're going to do an iOS 9 video explaining all the new features and hidden features, all this cool stuff that they've added. So yeah, this is going to be fun. It really is. So I'll be right back, you guys, and we'll start the video. So as you can see, the lock screen is still the same. Still got all your buttons and stuff. Camera, I believe. Still got all the stuff. Filters are the same, I believe. Yeah, filters are the same. So, and if you ever want to take a video, what up? Or, you know, if you ever want to take a whole bunch of pictures all at once, all you need to do is just hold down the button. And as you can see, you know, it's taken, we'll stop at 46. And back when you used to take a whole bunch of pictures, you would have, you know, a whole bunch of pictures in your photo album. Well, now, just select that, and you can pick which one looks better. Or it's much easier to just forget about those 46 pictures that ever happened. Okay, so get into it. So we're going to go on the settings, explaining all the things that are new with the settings. Still got all of that. They've changed what the notification symbol looks like. They just changed the color to like a lighter orange. Like, see, they gave us new wallpapers because they didn't give us new songs or anything. Looks like they just did a whole bunch of flowers and bird feathers, a couple planets, a couple bursts, a couple flowers, and then we get to the older ones, which they got rid of a lot of the other ones. I really like the old ones they had. So I like this one, as you can see. My thing, lock screen, like so. Okay, so now we have this new battery option, and let's say you're at like 20%, and you just need like an hour to get to your charger. Well, you can put it into low power mode, and it will reduce everything that's using power, and it'll give you an hour of battery percentage, and it will tell you how much, you know, all your applications are using, like so. So yeah. Okay. So now we're in notes for Siri, blah blah blah. Okay. Then we have this new news application. You know, you can use cellular data and, you know, all that stuff, just background stuff. They haven't really changed settings very much, but they did for Siri. You can see now we can change if we want them to be American, Australian, British, and we still have the male and female. I like having the male and as a British because it sounds like, "Hi Siri, how are you?"
Excellent.
Makes him sound like he's a butler. I don't know why. Just really sounds more realistic than normal Siri or Australian Siri, or, you know, things like that. Now we have this handoff. It lets us start something on our phones, and let's say you have a Mac or a MacBook, you're able to finish that application onto your laptop or whatever you're doing, as long as it's an Apple, or if you have an iPad, you know, you can do that like so. Okay, so now we have the storage and iCloud usage, just it's all the same like so. Okay, Get out of here. And as you can see, they changed, you know, like when you double tap to close the application, so it stops using battery power. So now we just, oh, out of here. So now we have this new wallet application, which it's still the same. They just changed the name and the icon, still the same, and then they added Discover card is able to be used on it now, which is good. So now we have this new news application, and what you do is it's kind of like Pinterest, where you like a subject, and it'll tell you all the news that's going on in the world right now that you've liked. So I've liked all this Apple News updates, all that stuff, YouTube, all that. iCloud Drive, it's basically all the stuff that you've put in iCloud, all your games, all your documents and stuff. It's all in there. You're able to check it all out, so on, like so. Still have the drop menu. This has changed though. Now all the apps we've used recently is all on here, so we can get back to them easier. Search now has a Siri button on there, so you don't even have to use it, like so. Okay, and as you see, we don't have the icons for all the people we've called recently, or text, or emailed recently, or FaceTimed. Now we swipe like we're going to unlock the phone, and it's all right here. All the people you've called recently, all the applications you used recently. Now we have this nearby. So let's say I want to get some gas, but I can't find a gas station. This will look for all the gas stations nearby you, like so. Now let's say I want to find some coffee because I'm tired. So now, got coffee, tell you all the coffee places. So now, if you can see where it shows the time, now it gets rid of the cellular, how much, how many bars you have, or the Wi-Fi. Gets rid of all of it, and now puts this back to search button. Since we were in search, we just click on that, takes us right back. And it does that in multiple applications like Facebook, like if you click on a link on Facebook, and so on. News, we can show more. Oh, takes us back, takes us into the news app. Go. Like so. So you're able to get a quick glance. We still got a search right there too. Like so. So now we have this new transit application. And right now it's not available in my city just because they haven't gone that far yet. I believe it's only in New York and Los Angeles, or in San Francisco, I believe. And yeah, so now we have this new, oh, that's not the one I want. I want notes. Okay, so now we have notes. Click on them. Okay, so let's say, so now we have this plus button. So now we can make like lists, for shopping, eggs, that's how you say eggs, bacon, things like that. We're able to put it, like, make it into a title or heading, or body, or bulleted list, or dashed list, or numbered list. We're able to do all that, no problem. So now we're able to add pictures to our notes. So I'm going to add that for the fun of it. So on. So now we're able to actually physically write into our notes. So let's say I want to take this pen, write my name, so on. Okay. Now we have an eraser, or if you want to erase the whole thing, just hit this arrow right here, do it letter by letter, so on. So now we have a ruler. We can change the color of our pens and pencils and markers. I want to go for a green. I want to grab a marker. Now we can make a straight line like so. Get rid of the ruler. I want to right in here like so. You can do that now. So now you're able to have a huge list and you can just have pictures. I mostly use it for when I'm working on, my tech class. I can, draw out my notes. I don't have to type up everything. I just makes it much faster. And if you just want to go straight to the, the coloring part of it, where you can use the markers and stuff, you just click on that little squiggly line like so, and you're able to do so. Okay. Now in pictures. Okay. Sorry about that, you guys. So now we have photos. We still have all pano, square, photo, video, slow. So now, back when you used to, you could take pictures a whole bunch at a time. You're still able to do that, but make it a little easier. You can just hold down the button. Take a whole bunch of pictures like so. What they call a burst, and then you can take the best picture like so. Select, select, and select that, and then all these pictures are the ones we just took. So I like that one, and done. I only want to keep that one. So now it will keep just that one picture that we took. And then if I want to post it from right here. Is Instagram? No, Instagram hasn't got one here yet. So we're going to post that Twitter. OMG. Can't spell. OMG. Doing a iOS 9 video for you guys and had to take a selfie. There we go. Post. Boom. So yeah, now we have that. And one thing I forgot to show you guys in settings is now we can go into, where is it? The photos and camera. Boom. And we can go down to camera, recording video, and we can, change it. I believe it can go up to 4K on the new iPhone 5, or not, the new 6S, which is cool. So for everybody else that are below, they can only do 1080p by, it's only 1080p in full HD, and it does it at 30 frames per second. I'll show you what that looks like. So go in the video. Looks trippy. Okay, I'm sorry about that, you guys. Truly sorry. So now, what else did they change? Health, I believe is the same. They might have added a few more things. Yeah, no, reproductive, so on, all that stuff. All the same stuff. Okay. Yeah, they haven't really changed anything else. Oh, let's see if they have anything new in tips. tips, blah blah blah. So you can find the best shot. We have the scrubber. We can get the score. Like we can ask Siri. Siri, what was the best game of 2015?
On it. Okay, I found this.
Okay. Thank you, Siri. You know what? I feel like saying things. Thank you, Siri. And as you can see, they've changed Siri.
Just doing my job.
They've changed it a little. Is it, when he's thinking. We can add attachments to mail now, which is fantastic. We can swipe to read more stories and news, like a book. We can ask Siri to find those vacation pictures. We can make a note. So if I'm in, let's say I'm in news, as they showed right there. Show the story with notes, like so. Yeah. Okay, save. There we go, we just saved it. And if we go in the notes real quick, it will be right there for us, like so. Okay, and we can see what's nearby. I already showed you guys that. That's one thing I did not show you is we can go in here, and now we can find food, drinks, shopping, travel, transportation, health, fun, and services, like so on. And yeah, that's mostly all, you guys. Thank you for. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of